Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi's negative equity elimination event is going on now. This month you can get as much as $6,500 over book value for any trade. If you don't have a trade, you can drive home in a brand new Mitsubishi and $6,500 cash in your pocket. No credit, first-time buyer, or just plain bad luck? No problem. Scan the code, fill out our fast and easy credit application, and let us go to work for you. Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi is the only Mitsubishi dealer in Florida that can give you a warranty forever. And right now, you can eliminate up to $6,500 in negative equity on your current vehicle. Call the number on your screen, scan the code, or come into Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi today.
I'm AJ Hiers at Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi in Melbourne, Florida, and it's our giant Mitsubishi sale where you can get yourself a brand spanking new Mitsubishi, just $299 down and $299 a month, including your tax, your tag, and all your fees. And it's not a lease. You own it, and it comes with free maintenance, and we're the only Mitsubishi dealer in Florida to give you a warranty forever.
$299 down, just $299 a month, and you are out the door in your brand new Mitsubishi Mirage from Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi in Melbourne. $299 down, just $299 a month includes your tax, your tag, your title, and all the fees. And the best part is, it's not a lease. You own it. Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi is the only Mitsubishi dealer in Florida that can give you a warranty forever. Warranty forever. No time limit, no mileage limit, no deductible, no charge! Come into Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi today. $299 down, just $299 a month, and you are out the door. Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi in Melbourne. Come see us.
Just $299 down, $299 a month, and it's not a lease, you own it. And that, of course, comes with our warranty forever and 2 years of maintenance.
Give us a call right now, log into our website, or come on over to Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi.
$299 down, $299 a month, and you're out the door. $299 down, $299 a month, and you're out the door. $299 down, $299 a month, and you're out the door.
That includes your tax, your tag, your title, and all your fees.
$2.99 al mes, $2.99 a pronto. $2.99 al mes, $2.99 de pronto. $2.99 al mes, $2.99 de pronto.
Come in today and take home a new Mitsubishi for as low as $299 down and $299 a month.
$299 down and $299 a month includes your tax, tag, title, and all the fees.
Just $299 down, just $299 a month, and you're out the door.
Log on to our website, fill out our fast and easy credit app, and let us go to work for you.
With the average car in America costing about $48,000, you can get yourself a brand spanking new Mitsubishi for just $299 down and $299 a month in a world where the average car payment is about $700. Plus, you get free maintenance, and Boniface Hiers is the only Mitsubishi dealer in the state of Florida to give you a warranty forever. $299 down, $299 a month, includes your tax, your tag, all your fees, and it's not a lease, it's your car, you own it.
Just $299 down and $299 a month, and it's yours, you own it.
Buen día, mi nombre es James, bienvenido a Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi. Este mes tenemos una gran apertura y gran especial en todo nuestro inventario de Mirage. $2.99 al mes, $2.99 down, y también la casa de la garantía por vida.
Just $299 down, $299 a month, includes tax, tag, title, and all your fees.
Why should you buy from Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi? For warranty forever, where we've paid over $1.5 million in out-of-warranty claims for our customers.
You're gonna love your warranty forever. No time limit, no mileage limit, no deductible, no charge.
It's the best thing going in the car business.
Folks, when you get your new Mitsubishi from Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi in Melbourne, Florida, you get our warranty forever. No time limit, no mile limit, no deductible, no charge, in writing, honored nationwide. A Boniface Hiers exclusive. In fact, we're the only Mitsubishi dealer in the state of Florida to give you a warranty forever.
Why should you buy your next Mitsubishi from Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi in Melbourne? Our exclusive warranty forever.
Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi, home of warranty forever.
Warranty forever.
No time limit,
No miles limit,
No deductible.
no charge.
Boniface Hiers is the only Mitsubishi dealership in Florida that can give you warranty forever.
This one comes with warranty forever. This one comes with warranty forever. This one comes with warranty forever. This one comes with warranty forever. Come on in, Boniface Hiers is the only Mitsubishi dealership in Florida that can give you a warranty forever.
Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi es el único dealership que te puede dar la garantía por vida.
Why buy a used car with no warranty when you can get yourself a brand spanking new Mitsubishi for less than that? In fact, $299 down, $299 a month, including your tax, your tag, and all your fees. And it's not a lease. You own it. It's your car. Plus, you get free maintenance and a warranty forever. It doesn't get any better than that.
Don't worry about your credit. We have a plan for everyone.
Just log on to our website, fill out a quick and easy credit app, and let us go to work for you.
Our banks are loaning money, but it's up to you. You have to take the first step. Come see us at Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi, US 1, Melbourne, Florida, between the causeways. Get free maintenance, get low prices, get low payments, and get a warranty forever. Well, we've spent over $1.5 million paying out of warranty claims for our customers. Come put us to the test. You'll be glad you did.
Come to Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi and put us to the test.
A lot of people have had credit issues in the past. Some banks just don't get it. Good thing we don't use those banks.
You know, some people have had some credit issues in the past, and some banks just don't get it. Well, I don't use those banks.
Even if you've been turned down before, our goal is to get you financed today. Give us a call, log on to our website, or come into Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi.
Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi, call, click, or come on down.
Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi, call, click, or come on down.
This month, we're eliminating up to $6,500 of negative equity.
Come on in to Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi today and get up to $6,500 more than what your trade is worth.
Get up to $6,500 more than your trade is worth.
Come into Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi today and let us write you a check for $6,500.
Come into Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi this week to get up to $6,500 more than what your trade's worth.
Get up to $6,500 over book trade value.
Other dealerships say it can't be done, but it can, and we're doing it.
Come into Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi today and let us help you get a fresh start.
Zero down, up to $6,500 in negative equity absorbed. No money down. That's right, no money down on brand new Outlanders. They're about half the price of the average SUV in America. Come get yourself one today, have low payments, and get yourself a warranty forever. Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi, US 1, between the causeways, Melbourne, Florida.
Brand new Mitsubishi SUVs starting at $23,900.
The average cost of an SUV is $48,000. The Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, they start at $23,900, and it comes with 2 years of free maintenance and, of course, our warranty forever.
The #1 reason to buy your new Mitsubishi at Boniface Hiers in Florida isn't just the great river view behind me, it's this, warranty forever.
And you're gonna love Warranty Forever. It'll cover your engine, your transmission, and your transaxle for as long as you own the vehicle at 100% parts and labor at no deductible to you.
You're gonna love your warranty forever. No time limit, no mileage limit, no deductible, no charge.
In writing and honored nationwide.
Gracias y buenos días. Mi nombre es James, de parte de Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi en Melbourne, Florida. Quisiera invitar a usted y su familia que vengan acá abajo a ver nuestro inventario. También tenemos una tremenda oferta en este momento. Tenemos 0 APR, 0 down de pronto. Si usted está interesado en nuestro inventario de Mitsubishi, tenemos carros nuevos y carros usados. Por favor, denos la oportunidad de usted y su familia que venga a Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi para ver cómo los tratamos a ustedes y le damos un tremendo precio. Gracias otra vez, mi nombre es James y quiero invitar a usted y su familia a Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi. Que pasen buen día y quisiera verlos pronto.
Come into Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi today and put us to the test.
Give us a call right now, log into our website, or go ahead and come into Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi.
Para nosotros es más que un placer darte la bienvenida a Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi. Somos técnicos autorizados de la Mitsubishi. Estamos capacitados para arreglar cualquier tipo de vehículos dentro de la Mitsubishi. Recuerda como siempre que nosotros, aunque tú no lo creas,
Te lo vendemos y te lo reparamos.
gracias.
Gracias.
Come see us at Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi, US 1, Melbourne, Florida, between the causeways, home of warranty forever.
Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi, call, click, or come on down.
Give us a call right now, log into our website, or come on over to Boniface Hiers Mitsubishi.
Whoa.